Having trouble getting your Nintendo Switch Lite to connect to Wi-Fi or access the internet? This is a common issue and is usually caused by small network glitches, incorrect settings, or router problems, not the console itself. In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart everything. Yeah, I know it's basic, but your Switch and Wi-Fi are just like any other mechanical device, and a little kick on the back can definitely jumpstart it. So first, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back. After that, get your Switch at hand, hold the power button for 5 seconds, tap power options. Now, select restart. This clears connection bugs on both sides. See if the issue is now fixed or not. Solution 2. Set a manual DNS. Open up your Switch and go to System Settings. Scroll down to Internet, then tap on Internet Settings. Select and open your Wi-Fi network. Now choose Change Settings, scroll down to DNS Settings and set this to Manual. Tap on the primary DNS section. Now enter the DNS 1.1.1.1 and hit OK. And after that, tap on the secondary DNS section and enter 1.0.0.1 and hit OK. Now save your changes. In most cases, the issue will be gone after this, but if the issue persists, test with a mobile hotspot. Since nothing works, try connecting to your phone's hotspot and see if that works. And if that works, the issue is 100% your router, not your Switch. So either change your router or contact your internet service provider for help. These steps should help get your Nintendo Switch Lite back online and fix most Wi-Fi issues. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Nintendo tips and tutorials.